Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate an increase percentage in Excel in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to calculate growth percentage in Excel, you have come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To calculate the increase percentage in Excel, first of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. I am going to calculate the percentage increase from the June price to the July price to analyze the price growth trend. Now, click on the first cell under the price change column. This is where we will calculate the difference between the July and June prices. In this cell, type the formula equals B2 minus A2. Now, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will show the price difference for the first row. Next, click on the first cell under the percent increase column. This is where we will calculate the percentage increase based on the original June price. In this cell, type the formula equals C2/A2. Now, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will return the percentage increase as a decimal like 0.10 for 10%. To display this as a percentage, select cell D2. Now, at the top menu bar, go to the number section and click on number. A drop-down menu will appear. Select percentage. Now, select both cells C2 and D2. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom right corner of the D2 cell until it turns into a plus sign. Click and drag the fill handle down through the rest of the column. Excel will copy the formula to all the other rows. Your price change and percentage increase values are now calculated for all the items in your list.